Hey, I'm gonna show y'all how these boys riding out here in Dallas, Texas, man. Let me show y'all this real quick. Look at this boy. This boy sitting on some. Nah, what are we like 26s? Sitting on like some 26s, bro. Man, this boy is nasty. They're sitting up just high as my truck. Woo. That boy clean, G.
On your own on a bedroom trip.
Oh, yeah, you know what I mean? Yeah. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Q. Welcome back to my channel. So look, we got my little brother, Bookie. So my brother has driven. You driven my truck how many times?
Had 2 times.
2 times, but he ain't never really got on the street with it, huh? You just went up down the block.
You gonna let me go down the block.
All right, let's go. So you go on the street. So you got your seatbelt on? Hold up, pause. Seatbelt.
Nah.
Bookie seatbelt. Safety first, guys. That's your Q-tip of the day. Safety first.
And that was your Q-tip of the day.
Yeah, it is, Bruno.
All right. You check see cars coming, huh?
Yeah.
They put this boy in sport. I'm gonna let you put it in sport mode here in a second. You go see the difference. Bro, do not wreck my truck. You need to scoot your seat up first of all.
No,
Way too far to the left. Go to the right.
I can be to the.
Go to the right, some.
Can't see that side over there.
Oh, hell no. You probably need to be driving there, bro.
What you mean?
What you mean? What I mean?
Man, just sit back and ride. Man.
Nah, I ain't sitting back and ride nothing, boy.
Yeah, wreck your truck.
Hey, it is harder to slow down, so you'll see once you get on the.
Show
You on the
first.
2 buttons on the side over there?
Well, T and
Yeah, T and S, so you gotta hit it twice to go to sport. But hold on, let him. He said let him get used to it.
You already clicked it, huh?
Nah, he ain't
Cause
clicked
they
yet.
Langston right there chilling.
Where, Langston Police?
Mhm.
Yeah, sure is Langston Police. We good. He ain't stopping us in this truck. Just don't go all the way over the center line. Yeah, there you go. What he doing? He chilling.
Something right there. I'm going Houston School Road.
There's police over there too. So what you think about driving it, bro?
Man, I like it. It's not as hard as I thought it was gonna be.
He said it's not.
Nah.
Oh, okay. Let me put my seatbelt on. Hold up, man. This nigga ain't got no sense. Where's my seatbelt?
No seatbelt.
Yeah, and you tripping. Yeah, I do. Hold up, man. Let me put my seatbelt on.
You got a piped out V6 coming out.
Yeah, I hate when people do that, bro.
That's why you doing
Like,
that?
why you doing the piped up V6? It sounds terrible. That's why I ain't doing no pipes on mine. This is a V6. It's gonna sound terrible.
Not really. It's a truck though. It's different from
This
a car.
EcoBoost is gonna sound bad.
I know people like, let me get out his way.
But man, I can't go forward in my seatbelt. Okay, I ain't never. I was saying. Also, this is my first time sitting back here. I heard it's bumpy back here, but
But get a
it
fan.
ain't that bad. Oh, wait till you put in sport mode. You gonna see.
Big mother fan.
It won't move. Ain't it just stuck my eye just a little bit.
Boy, I'm nervous as hell if you drive my truck.
Man, hey, don't be nervous. You just,
I want to see so high, like I'm sitting in the sky.
if I was scared to drive, I
Say
wouldn't
what,
even,
Feel like I'm sitting in the sky.
extra driving.
Hey, put it in sport mode. Hit it twice real quick before you turn. Press the button twice. 1, 2, 1. There you go.
Yo, you sure say it's a bit.
Hit it.
Woo!
Nah, that boy ain't really going nowhere.
That boy moving, kind of ain't the seal of it.
All right, slow down, bro.
We got the 60 something, we got the 65.
Hey, the speed limit off 5 miles, so you going like 65 right now, bro. So you gotta
All right.
slow down.
Man, I don't see no police
Car
up
coming
there.
out right here too.
They gonna get ran.
Go pop you right here.
No, I'm turn right.
Huh?
I'm turn right. Ooh, I know they scared getting past by this big old truck. I know I will be.
It's gonna be a tight turn. Slow down. Now hit that turn. Yes.
You know, they're looking like what?
I need to take you out of sport mode, G.
This one get. Oh no, one more
You go to
time.
regular mode.
I
Now
know.
on these back roads, bro, you can't get sport mode.
Now I need
It's not back
bump
here,
you. But not.
How you take it out there?
Ain't no,
Press the button again. Press it one time, and it go out.
ain't no police on these little roads.
I'm just talking about you can't really go fast down these roads.
Oh, yeah.
They told me it's too.
You going over bump slow, or you just run over?
Huh?
You be running over bumps, so you go, or you be going slow through.
I go slow. Bookie, can you see your cameraman lean in and say what's up to the tube? What do?
Air blow good too. It's that Ford air. So why you get rid of the rim?
Man, cause see, main reason, Boogie, look at the back seat. See how much room I got?
Yeah, I
back
was gonna
here?
ask you that.
Yeah,
That's the main thing, bro. I wanted the crew cab. My Ram was a quad, so the back seat was small.
That ram was so loud. I loved that ram.
Yeah, I sounded good. Yeah, that's what you.
Which one you think faster, this or the Ram?
Huh?
Which one you think faster?
Oh, this faster than Ram.
You think so?
Yeah. Hey, what now?
The Ram had a hit me in
Yeah, it had a V8, but it still ain't faster than this. Go watch YouTube videos. You know you watch a YouTube video. Go watch an EcoBoost versus Ram V8. Every time EcoBoost kill it. Because the EcoBoost got the turbo in it. You can hear the turbo in this too when you let the window.
Why you hear it? Pop the hood when you get back.
You can let the window down. You should be able to hear George go slow. Hey, take it out sport mode, Joe. You might be able to hear it.
That's the something else?
You got an S on the dash.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
See, you should be able to hear. You should be here. You hear?
Hey, I hear.
Yeah, that's the turbo.
When you hot?
Yeah, it's hot, man. Back here.
'Cause you're nervous.
Tight seatbelt too. You can't drive.
He said, cause you nervous.
Is it the police?
Yeah, it's probably.
There's a
They
probably
said
got a
about that
police
front
car.
license plate. You know I ain't got my front license plate, but they don't really care about
Put some new lights on it or something.
that. Yeah, I did them the headlights.
How long it took you to do it?
Man, like 3 hours, bro. I was out there struggling. Trying to do it was raining. I was mad. We got the seatbelt on. Look at where that.
Another Ram kind of hard to work on my Ram.
You're gonna wait.
Yeah, we bigger than him. Wrong.
Well, you trying to drive?
Nah, I'm straight on
You straight on that pussy. I'm straight on that. I ain't driving that now. I'm straight. Hey, I need one of y'all get this water out the bag. All right, man. Let's go about wrap this video up. Again, that was my brother driving my truck for the first time really on the highway. He drove it a few times, like I said before, but he never been on the road. So, what's up, Zeke, man? I see you commenting on my pictures, man. Tell me y'all cute. look, that's a look. Where you at?
I saw y'all when she was there. I saw when she did it.
Yeah, Thompson. Look at y'all. Y'all cute.
I thought it was a different girl, huh?
But yeah, let's go wrap this video up, man. That's all I got. And y'all have a next one. Y'all have a good day. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.
Rebel on your own on the